Lesson 3, Heading Levels and Styles. Using the built-in heading styles allows assistive technology users to pull up a list of all the document's headings. They can use this list to skim through headings to quickly navigate the content and understand the hierarchy of the information presented. Let's create headings in the proper way using Word's built-in heading styles to make this document a bit more accessible and user-friendly. First, begin by identifying the main heading for the document and categorize it as a Heading 1. Think of this as the title text. Generally, there should be only one Heading 1 per document. In order to properly tag items as headings, highlight the desired text, select the Home tab in the ribbon, then navigate to the Styles section. The keyboard shortcut for this is Alt-H-L. Here you will be able to select the appropriate heading level. For this example, we have selected the text, The American Revolution. Please note, selecting the title option within the Styles section will not provide screen readers and other assistive technology with the structure necessary for these tools to properly interpret. Use the Heading 1 designation for your title text instead. Note that selecting the desired heading style will cause Word to apply the default formatting associated with that option. To change the default formatting of your headings in your document, right-click or use the application key on the desired heading style and select Modify. For this example, we have already formatted the text in our document and we want to keep the existing look and feel. Right-click on the Heading 1 option. Then select Update Heading 1 to match selection. This action will update all headings of the same level in your document using the existing formatting. As you can see in our navigation pane on the left, this text has now been added to our headings list. Repeat these steps to identify all the headings in your document, keeping heading levels in mind. Heading levels are very important for accessibility because they signify a parent-child relationship between a heading and the associated content. Use Heading 2 to classify second-level headings. Heading 3 to classify third-level headings. And so on. In this example, the origins of the American Revolution is listed as a Heading 2 because it introduces a new major section of content. Britain's loss of control over its colonies and colonists define themselves are listed as Heading 3 because they fall under the greater Origins of the American Revolution section. Local political institutions is marked as a Heading 4 because it falls under Colonists define themselves. It is important to select the correct subheading level and keep the nesting order in mind. For example, only select Heading 4 if it is going to be a child of Heading 3. Here in our navigation pane, you can see that as headings are marked in the document, they begin to appear in the navigation pane in an outline format.